What is title insurance in a New York City real estate purchase? Title insurance can protect a New York City buyer from costly ownership problems that may not appear until after closing. Title insurance is a one-time policy that protects property buyers and mortgage lenders against financial losses caused by defects in a property's title. If you are purchasing a condo, townhouse, or house in Manhattan with financing, your lender will typically require a lender's title policy, and many buyers also choose an owner's policy for added protection. Title insurance is different from homeowner's insurance because it covers problems that already existed at the time of purchase but were not discovered during the title search. Common title defects include unpaid property tax liens, outstanding mortgages that were never properly discharged, forged signatures on prior deeds, public record errors, and undisclosed heirs claiming ownership. A title search is the first step in the process because the title company examines deeds, court records, and property indexes to trace the chain of ownership. In New York City, title companies often search records through ACRIS for Manhattan, Brooklyn, the Bronx, and Queens dating back to 1966. There are two main kinds of title insurance, and each protects a different party in the transaction. A lender's title policy protects the bank or financial institution that provides your mortgage. That coverage usually matches the loan balance and decreases over time as the mortgage is paid down. Nearly every mortgage lender in New York requires this policy as a condition of the loan, and the buyer pays for it at closing. An owner's title policy protects you as the property owner and covers losses up to the original purchase price for as long as you or your heirs own the property. Unlike the lender's policy, an owner's policy does not decrease over time. An owner's policy is optional, but without it, the buyer could bear the full financial risk of a title claim after closing. In New York, title insurance rates are regulated by the state, and the final cost depends on the purchase price, whether there is a mortgage, and whether extra searches or endorsements are needed. Although policy premiums generally cannot be negotiated because rebates are prohibited, ancillary fees for title searches and related services may vary slightly between title companies. When both an owner's policy and a lender's policy are issued in the same transaction, buyers should carefully review the title company's written fee breakdown. If you are buying a co-op in Manhattan, you generally do not need traditional title insurance because you are purchasing shares in a cooperative corporation and a proprietary lease rather than deeded real property. Even without title insurance in a co-op deal, a real estate lawyer may still perform due diligence, including checking for judgments, tax liens, or other issues affecting the cooperative corporation. For condos, the title search covers both the individual unit and the condominium's common elements, along with documents such as the offering plan, declaration, and bylaws. For townhouses and single-family homes, the search focuses more heavily on deed history, surveys, easements, restrictions, and possible boundary disputes. New development and sponsor purchases may require review of the building's ownership history, the condominium declaration, and offering plan materials filed with the New York State Attorney General's office. A title claim may arise months, years, or even decades after closing if a covered defect causes a financial loss or threatens ownership rights. Covered issues may include unknown liens, challenges to prior deeds, boundary disputes revealed by a new survey, or claims by previously unknown heirs. A standard owner's policy usually covers only the original purchase price, so some buyers may consider a market value endorsement if they want protection that better reflects future increases in value. A lawyer or attorney reviewing the title report before closing can help identify exceptions, coordinate with the title company, and work to resolve issues before they delay the transaction. An attorney from a law firm handling a Manhattan purchase can also help buyers understand whether title insurance is required, optional, or unnecessary depending on the property type and financing structure. For guidance on title insurance and Manhattan real estate transactions, contact Avenue Law Firm at 212-729-4090, located at 505 Park Avenue Suite 202, New York, New York, 10022, United States.